And Steve from EstateMax with you once again, coming to you live, part two of our Clarksburg estate sale. We had part one a couple weekends ago. I'll give you the address in a minute. This will be October 27, 28, and 29. That's a Friday, Saturday, Sunday upcoming. Again, October 28, 27, 28, 29, 3-day sale. This is part two. We still have so much good stuff left. We have to do a part two to the sale. Everything you see in this video is for sale, including this Dell computer and this Canon high-end digital VHS machine, TV stand, lamps, beautiful sectional. Look at this green sectional. It's in wonderful condition. All these are selling for pennies on the dollar for what they sold for originally. There's a Lazy Boy. And again, I'll give you the address in a minute. Again, this is this coming Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Not to be confused with our train sale, which will be happening later. Look at this beautiful round table. 8-foot round table, perfect for cards. That's a Lego Taj Mahal, by the way. Here's the box for it. And how about this beautiful round 16-foot diameter carpet? Look at that. Look at the size of that thing. Isn't that gorgeous? Here's an official brown padded bar with its own fleet of airliners. Yes, the bar stools are included. A little bit of Christmas. Here's a better shot of that bar. A couple of trains here, not to be confused with our real train sale, which happens a few weeks down the road. Just giving you a refresher on our sale. Again, this is part two. We're at 24900 Frederick Road in Clarksburg. And everything you see in this video is for sale. We'll go upstairs in a minute too, and to the garage. But this beautiful buffet. In the library, we have some beautiful books, so a lot of classic Easton Press books, which are custom made out of archival paper and special printing processes. But all these books are still for sale at way lower than online prices. So if you're a book reseller or just a bibliophile, you're going to want to come to this sale. Price to go. We'll give you an extra 30% discount or more if you buy at least 24 books. Walk into the family room one time. We still have some of our die-cast cranes remaining. Very high-end microscope. This is an Olympus, real high-end. Records and stereo cabinet. There's a Pioneer Elite multiple disc player. We still have DVDs and CDs. We still have some records left. Oh, speaking of sectionals, how about this beautiful leather sectional? We have two different parts to it. Here's one part of the leather sectional. Some Polk speakers, some Christmas. Here's the other side of the leather sectional in great shape. Some odds and ends, a pine table, some CWD furniture in the basement, some costume jewelry. Actually, quite a bit of costume jewelry. Take a walk around. Sony television. Here's the kitchen. Some beautiful pieces here. Again, everything you see in this video is for sale. If it's not marked, make us an offer. We'll try to say yes. Okay. Let's head into the garage one time. Again, loose and unmarked items you can make us an offer on. There's a compressor, magazines at $1 a piece, radial arm saw selling real cheap. It's a nice radial arm saw. See how that works? Zzz. And some miscellaneous garage stuff, including this rifle sighting device. We're going to go downstairs and check out the media room. This is what's in it, though. Again, we're in the basement. You have to get around the train set to get down here. This beautiful CWD, custom woodworking and design set of cabinetry, is made out of walnut solids. It's really beautiful. It comes in pieces and sections. You can buy them modularly. I'll tell you what's in here, too. B&W loudspeakers, Bowers & Wilkins B&W loudspeakers. Pioneer Elite CD player, Mitsubishi VCR, Monster power amp, Yamaha receiver. And on the other side, we have collections of laser visions too. So we have DVDs, LPs, records, laser visions here. And that's a very nice cassette deck, courtesy of Sony. And Lazy Boy theater seating, courtesy of Lazy Boy. Notice that the pieces are individual. They each have their own little pocket for your drink. Very cool. All recline. We're now upstairs in the master bedroom suite. Quite spacious. Quite a few modern titles of books up here. All selling cheap. Here's a healthometer, custom high-end scale, very nice. Some paperbacks. This entire bedroom suite, including mattress, box spring, can be had for $388 final price. That's a king. It's a Serta perfect sleeper pillow top. Again, more books and stereo systems. This is a Polk Audio and Onkyo system here. Very nice. Bookcases are for sale. Everything you see in this video is for sale. This pretty dresser and mirror set is for sale in the guest bedroom. This very pretty black lacquer system is for sale as well. Here's a bed frame. Here's the headboard set up for the black lacquer system, minus the bed. It's a pretty armoire. So again, signing off till October 27th, 28th, and 29th, when we'll be back in Clarksburg to visit you and have a final run on this big sale. Again, the address is 24900 Frederick Road in Clarksburg, Maryland. You can go to estatesales.net, look up Clarksburg. You'll see more still pictures. And we hope to see you then.